everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Prague effect tutorial on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you add the photo or the video that you want to edit, in here at the bottom, so you just click on the effect at the bottom, and then in here you just click on the video effect. And then at the menu you can click on the details, this one, click on it. Then in here you can swipe down until you can see Prague, this one. So you just click on it and then click check icon in here. Now you can adjust the effect, so you can click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the intensity and for the filter. Okay, after this, in here you can click on the check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to add Prague effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.